How to remove someone from your best friend list on Snapchat. So if you want to remove someone from your best friend list on Snapchat, then first of all open up your Snapchat application, and then you can simply go for the bottom left corner which has that chat icon, and then simply choose your best friend. So for example, I'll be choosing this person, so the first person. So if you want to remove a particular person from your best friend list, then the only way to do that is to remove that person from your friend list. And after removing or after unfriending that person will be automatically removed from your best friend list. Or there is another way. So if you want to unfriend, simply tap on hold on to that person's chat and then go for manage friendship and then remove friend. But if you don't want to remove them as a friend, then what you can do is you can simply stop sending snaps to that person. And after stopping for 4 to 5 days, then that person will be automatically removed from your best friend list. So that's another way. So that's it. These were the few ways. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.